A few days ago, I tried making money with AI in just 24 hours, and honestly, it didn't work the way people online say it does. Some methods failed instantly, some looked like they were working, but in the end, nothing was consistent. And that's when I realized something. Maybe the problem wasn't the methods. Maybe the problem, ounce, was time. Because in the real world, especially in the US market, money doesn't show up overnight. So this time, I did something different, something harder, something more realistic. I tested 5 different AI side hustles for 7 full days. No experience, no shortcuts, no fake results. And I tracked everything, every hour, every mistake, every small win. Because I didn't just want results, I wanted the truth. Right now, everyone is talking about AI. People are saying you can make money fast. Start from nothing and build income quickly. But what they don't show is what happens in between, the confusion, the wasted time, the things that don't work. So this experiment is not about proving success, it's about understanding reality. I set strict rules, no prior skills, which means I'm starting like a beginner, only AI tools, no manual advantage, and 7 days, no extensions, no resets. Whatever happens, happens inside those 7 days. Each day, one method, full focus, no distractions, no switching. Just one question: can this actually make money for a beginner in the US market? Day 1, I started with freelancing because this is what most people recommend. Sell services, use AI to do the work faster, get paid, simple. I used AI to create writing samples, simple ad copy, short scripts. Then I started outreach, sending messages, trying to get someone to respond, trying to get attention. Hours passed, more messages, more attempts, still nothing. At first, it felt like progress, like I was doing something right, but slowly that feeling changed into frustration, into doubt. No replies, no clients, no money. Because in the US market, people don't just buy services, they buy trust. And trust cannot be generated instantly with AI. Day 2, digital products. This felt different because now I didn't need permission, no clients, no approval, just create and sell. I used AI to generate an idea structure, a guide, make it look clean, something simple, something quick, something that could sell. When I listed it, something changed. There were clicks. People were actually seeing it. And for a moment, it felt like this was working. But then, nothing. No sales, no conversions. Because attention is not the same as trust. And without trust, people don't buy. Day 3, print on demand, simple concept. Create designs, upload, sell. AI designs trendy ideas, multiple uploads, trying to catch attention. Nothing, no traffic, no visibility, no movement. Because without attention, even the best product doesn't exist. Day 4, affiliate marketing, promote something, earn commission. AI generated content, basic promotion, simple strategy. This time, there were clicks. People were interacting. And for a moment, it felt like this might be it. But again, no conversions. Because people don't buy instantly. They need time, they need trust. Day 5, I tried content, but this time, I changed everything. No perfection, no overthinking, just attention. Short form content, strong hooks, clear message, fast pacing. Something changed, views started coming, people were watching, engaging. Not huge numbers, but enough to feel different, enough to know this was working. Day 6, I doubled down. Same strategy, better execution. More views, more engagement, more traffic. Now it wasn't random, it was building. Day 7, everything connected, content created attention, attention created traffic, traffic created opportunity, and finally, real money. Not massive, but real, consistent and repeatable. So after 7 days, what actually worked? Not freelancing, not products, not designs, not affiliate marketing, at least not instantly. What worked was attention. Freelancing needs trust. Products need demand, affiliate needs audience, but content creates all of them. In the US market, attention is everything because people see thousands of options every day. If you don't stand out instantly, you don't exist. So instead of asking, Eto, how do I make money with AI? Ask this one, how do I get attention using AI? Yeah, because once you understand that, everything changes. If you want more real experiments like this, where I test everything step by step and show what actually works, subscribe, because this is just the beginning